Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today I have something really exciting that got here from the mail. I ordered a brand new hair steamer, and you guys are probably wondering what happened to my old one, but my hair is, like, my head is really big, and I realized that it was getting a little too small for me. It was a little uncomfortable. So I figured I would invest in more of a stand-up one, and I personally haven't tried a stand-up one before, so we're gonna see how this works. I actually ended up ordering it from Wayfair. I read some reviews, apparently they were good, but I don't know, I kind of just winged it to see how it goes. So I figured I would open it on camera with you guys and we can try it today and see how it goes, because the other one was a little bit uncomfortable as far as placement, and it wasn't really that sturdy as far as how it would sit, because I would normally put it on my toilet. I'd have my toilet as the base and I would just sit on the seat and just have my hair underneath, but I felt like it would slide a lot. I think it's just because I never found the perfect way to use it, and then over time it started to act a little funny, so I decided, you know what, let me just go ahead and test out a stand-up one because I've been wanting a new one anyways. I'm really excited. Let's get right into unboxing it. I don't know what to expect. I hope the hood is bigger, and I hope that it's a better product overall, but we're gonna have to see about that. So let's get right into opening it. Okay, you guys, so this was not as easy to assemble as I thought it would be. It wasn't difficult, but once I got the hang of it, it wasn't too bad. So I have the water tank in my hand right now. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and test it out before I actually sit in it today. But I am really happy with the size of the hood. Like, if my head doesn't fit in here, then I don't know, I give up. But honestly, it's very spacious, and I like that, because that was my issue with the other one, was that it was a little too small, especially when you have a lot of hair. So I'm looking forward to testing this out and seeing how it goes. The reviews are really good, so let's go test it out. I'm gonna fill it up with some water. It's gonna be a trial run to see how it runs before I actually get in it. So let's do that. Just put a little bit in there. I went with filtered water just to be safe. I wonder if when I flip it over, if water comes out. Oh, it does. Okay, so do you plop it on here like that? I guess you do. Now I'm a little bit. It says this is the water tank, so I guess that's how you do it. I'm gonna confirm before I just throw all this water in there. Yeah, it says waste bottle. This is the water tank, yeah. Okay. Let's try it out. I wish there was like an easier way to do that. Here, I'm not doing anything wrong. Cover, ventilation. All right, let's just put it on there and see what happens. I'm a little nervous though, but okay. Oh my God. Let's just turn it on. This is the ultimate test. Let's wait and see. Let's watch. I covered the vents. I'm starting to see some steam. Let me get you guys closer so you guys can see. We're getting some steam now. Ooh, this is exciting. Yay, I think it's working. Okay, so overall everything looks good. I do want to adjust it. Let me grab a seat so I can see where I'm gonna need to place it. Okay, so we're at the perfect level now. Okay guys, so I just tested out my steamer for the first time, and so far I'm very much impressed with how it worked. So I remember that in the beginning I just added a little bit of water just to test it out and let it run a little bit, and I realized I never refilled it afterwards. So I think that had a lot to do with why it didn't go for as long as I would have liked it to. So it did go for about, I want to say like 10 minutes. I personally would have sat for like 20 minutes in general, but even with just 10 minutes, my curls, you can already see the definition. I mean, granted, I did use an amazing mask, and I will make a mask favorites video, but the mask that I use is the Aveda Botanical Repair, and I absolutely love that product. Any Aveda mask works so amazing in my hair, and I just highly recommend them. But yeah, so the hood fits all of my hair, fits my head. Like, it is a dream because I can still work and do whatever I gotta do with it there. The one thing I will say is definitely wear a towel, just because your hair will start to drip, especially if you have low porosity hair. If you have low porosity hair like me, I mean, granted, it's just inevitable. So water is gonna naturally just start repelling off of your own hair. So it's gonna start dripping on your shirt a little bit. It's not the steamer, it's my hair. It's nothing crazy, but just a little towel would be fine. The robe I'm wearing is towel material, so I like to wear this when I'm in the steamer, but some did get on my neck a little bit, so it was a little annoying. So next time I will definitely have a towel. But if you guys look closely, my curls look so defined. So this definitely added the moisture that my curls definitely needed, that added moisture, especially for these really, really cold months that we're heading into. So far I'm really, really happy with my purchase. I will go ahead and add all the details to the steamer down below. I will continuously use it throughout Curlsmas and let you guys know how I feel, but first impression, super good, love the size. I am trying to figure out exactly where I would put it. That's my one con, is that like it's a pretty big thing. Like, I want to say it's like half my size, not even. It's like almost 5 feet tall, this damn thing. So it's pretty big. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I do have a hooded dryer that I store in my studio. So I probably store this one in my studio as well. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm happy with it. I don't care how big it is because it actually fits my head, so that's all I care about. Yeah, like I said, I did purchase it on Wayfair. The building process didn't really take that long. It was kind of confusing at first, but once I got the hang of it, it wasn't too bad. You don't really need help with it, but if you do have help, you'll probably finish a lot quicker. But yeah, overall, it's pretty simple, straightforward to use. My curls love a good steam. So if you guys have thought about getting a steamer or something along the lines of that for that extra moisture, that extra oomph for your curls, I highly recommend getting a steamer of some sort. I have two options I can share with you guys, which is the first one is from Amazon and then this one is from Wayfair. But I will add all the details in my description box. If you do want a smaller, more compact one that you can sit on a table that's, you know, at your level and has a smaller hood. Some people don't have such a big head and don't have as much hair, so you guys can get away with using that one. I will add all the details to both of them down below. Yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'll probably make the styling process for another Curlsmas video. I don't know what I'm gonna use to style. I have to rinse this out and then go from there. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.